Call that markup over marginal cost, which means price greater than MC. So perfect competitive firm, price equals to MC. For a monopolistically competitive firm, price exceeds marginal cost. So because price exceeds marginal cost, an extra unit sold at the posted price means more profit for the monopolistically competitive firm. So which means firm in the long run would also be earning some economic profit, which means sorry, would be earning accounting profit but not economic profit, but the price is always greater than MC. So let's talk about that. So perfect competition, we see that price is equal to MC, right? MC, understand? But in monopolistically competitive firm, did you see that price here and marginal cost is here, but here price is equal to MC. So one difference was the excess capacity we have to produce here. Instead we are producing here. That is efficient scale quantity, and this is called excess capacity, and this difference is called the markup over MC. Let me just remove it, and we can see. So this difference is called markup over MC, right? So in competitive firm we do have excess capacity. This is called excess capacity, right? And this is called marginal markup over marginal cost. So let me just repeat one more time. The monopolistically competitive firm in the long run behave like perfect competitive firm with two conditions or with two characteristics. One is its price is always greater than MC, which is not the condition for perfectly competitive firm. It do have one condition, that price is equal to every total cost. Price is equal to every total cost. You see here the ATC and the price line intersect each other, but here price is always greater than marginal cost. The other difference is that in perfectly competitive firm is producing at efficient scale, but in monopolistically competitive firm it is not producing at efficient scale. Instead it is producing less than efficient scale. So the difference between efficient scale and the existing firm, the monopolistically competitive firm quantity, is called excess capacity. So now the question that I already asked is that whether this is desirable, whether the outcome of the monopolistically competitive firm is desirable for the whole society. What is the answer? No. Why? Because it is producing less than the requirement, or less than the less than the social optimum point for the society. So there is a normal deadweight loss when there is monopolistically competitive firms, right? Because they are producing less than efficient scale, or less than the point where demand is equal to supply. So because firms are earning zero economic profit, lowering the price may cause losses and the government has to provide subsidy, right? So what is the end result is that, can we eliminate this deadweight loss? Answer is no. And the answer is, so it's better to live with the inefficiency of the monopolistically competitive firm. What if we do something that will cause to provide subsidies? And who pays subsidies? Taxpayers. And now the tax going to be increased, and who are paying taxes? Consumers. So their burden further increased. So doing nothing is the best solution for dealing with the monopolistically competitive firm. So another way in which monopolistically competitive firm maybe socially inefficient is the number of firm that is in the market may not be the ideal one, so there may be too much or too little entry. So if we can think about this problem, we can think about this problem in terms of externalities. So whenever a firm wants to enter the market with the new product, it considered only profit, yet its entry have two external effects, that is called externalities. When I look at that, just think about when a firm enter the market, what will happen? When firm is entering the market, it's driving customer towards itself, which means the other companies may lose the customers, right? It try to gain market share. Second, if company is introducing the next version of its product, then its own product demand is going to be decreased. For example, iPhone 10 and iPhone 11, company introduces Apple introduces iPhone 11. So what happened? The existing sorry the new customer going to be increased. For example, previously some people are buying Huawei, Samsung, Lenovo. It's like those kind of phones. So they attracted towards iPhone 11. So company get market share. Second one is its existing demand for the iPhone 10 going to be decreased by the introduction of new product, which is Apple iPhone 11, right? So these two externalities